Thank you and hello, friends and imaginers. Well, for decades now, we in South Asia live in a state of aggressive limbo. And we may have come to believe that this is the natural order of things. More so for our younger generation, who have known no other state of affairs. And to convince them that actually it is peace which is the natural order of things. And this state of intended conflict or expected conflict or actual conflict that is the aberration. And it's difficult to convince them of that. And yet here we are. In this forum, we know that the desire and the determination to take these steps towards peace are among the simplest and the most inspiring things that we can do. It is just with such a vision that we set out to make this network and to find friends in the South Asian region who can not only imagine a region of peace, but can devise fresh initiatives and unusual pathways which can actually work. And that's why we have the South Asian Peace Action Network. And I'm just going to read out to you the founding charter, and reclaiming South Asia is what we are saying. So this is what our charter says, that SAPAN is a coalition of individuals and representatives of various organizations joining hands for a minimum common agenda. In doing so, we reiterate our commitment to take forward the principles and ideas of peace, justice, democracy, and human rights articulated by visionaries like Dr. Mubashir Hasan, Nikhil Chakravarti, Asma Jangir, Nirmala Deshpande, Kuldeep Nayar, Rajni Kothari, among others, i.e. a visa-free South Asia or confederation of nations with soft borders. A nation, imagine, a region in which each nation ensures quality education, justice, and freedom of expression and religion to its own citizens, as well as support and solidarity to those of other nations. We aim to reclaim South Asia. To quote another one of our mentors and visionaries, the late I.A. Rahman Saab. And we support the objectives of SAARC, the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, which says very clearly, it lays it out, to promote the welfare of the peoples of South Asia and to improve their quality of life, to accelerate economic growth, social progress, and cultural development in the region, and to provide all individuals the opportunity to live in dignity and to realize their full potential, to promote and strengthen collective self-reliance among the countries of South Asia, to contribute to mutual trust, understanding, and appreciation of one another's problems, to promote active collaboration and mutual assistance in the economic, social, cultural, technical, and scientific fields, to strengthen cooperation with other developing countries, to strengthen cooperation among themselves in international forums on matters of common interest, and to cooperate with international and regional organizations with similar aims and purposes. This is what SAARC is about. So the South Asia Peace Action Network therefore calls on the governments and peoples of the South Asian nations to work towards, number one, instituting soft borders and visa-free South Asia, allow freedom of trade and travel to each other's citizens. Number two, ensure human rights and dignity for all their citizens, including religious and ethnic minorities, women, children, and other oppressed communities. And three, cooperate in areas related to public health, culture, and legal reform, education, environment, climate change, water issues, disarmament, demilitarization, and denuclearization. Imagine. And there are a whole list of organizations that has endorsed this vision and who are part of us. Thank you.